So this is the conversation from our last video. So let's create a new chat. OK. So instead, we can either select any of these options OK. Or we can type our own. So let's proceed with our own. So let us say, please suggest me top 10 topics on my cricket news website. OK, you can hit enter or simply click on this. And you can see here it is generating 10 popular topics for us. And it will give us complete reply within 10 to 15 seconds. So you are actually getting this much of ideas or this much of important topics for your website in just around 15 seconds approximately. OK, so see match previews and reports, player profiles, etc., right? Now, if you like any topic, you can just ask that hey, expand. Topic number, let us say 7. Cricketing records and milestones. OK. Hit enter. And now it will explain, OK. Or it will give actually a complete article on this particular topic. OK. See. You are actually getting this much of information at free of cost. It is explaining us the records for Test cricket. OK. Or also recent record for ODIs, etc. OK. So you can use ChatGPT to generate any kind of content. For example, if you want to create a book for, let's say, kids, so you can ask ChatGPT to first suggest you the topics to be covered in that book. And then you will also ask ChatGPT to write complete chapters on each of the topic. OK, it will do that and for any reason. If you need more details you can ask for, or if you are not satisfied with the response, you can always have an option to click on Regenerate Response. OK? Now, if we move to the top, you can see we have an edit option as well. So instead of typing complete sentence again, what we can do is we can simply change the topic. We can edit it OK. So instead of cricket, we can type, let's say, comedy. OK. Now ChatGPT will suggest us the different response. OK, so if you do not want further details, you can always use Stop Generating Response. OK, if this much of information is what you are looking for and it is sufficient for you, you can click on Stop Generating Response. OK. Now here you can see we have a chat history. OK. So if you want to delete any of it you can always select it and then click on Delete option. Or if you want to clear complete chat history all of these, then you can always go to your account and click on Clear Conversations. OK, so for now I am deleting this one. OK. Delete. Deleted. OK, done. So this is the basic use of ChatGPT. Now you can do more with it. For example, let us say suggest title for my YouTube video on, let's say, Carly. OK, hit enter. OK, so here we have got the title suggestions, right? So let me click on Stop Generation. OK. Now let us say, give me description for number. Let's say second mastering Kali Linux. Hit enter. And now it will also provide you the video description. OK. So it is providing you title, description, title suggestions, and then the video description as well. Right. You can also ask ChatGPT to give me an SEO-friendly description. For the same, hit enter. And now this time, ChatGPT will actually use keywords which are similar or related to your topic directly. OK, it will also help you to rank higher in the list. Right. So you can ask ChatGPT these kind of things in detail, right?